All right, what are we doing today, Austin?
We are doing an install of a carbon duckbill spoiler on a customer's black new Z. So really simple install. All you get in the box is the carbon spoiler itself. Pretty piece. We went with the type 1 that has the notch, and it's all 3M, so let's go throw it on the car. All right, so first thing, I already washed the car. We're going to clean the surface a little bit more with some denatured alcohol. And this is like, you don't need a lot. I can just pour a little bit on the rag. I actually have 2 rags. I got a fresh brand new one here because I don't want this to soak into the clear or be on there too long or too wet. So we're just gonna kind of go across the whole area where the wing's gonna go, just like that. And then I'll use my fresh brand new one and make sure that surface is super clean. So now is gonna be probably one of the most difficult parts, and that's getting the 3M peel started. Oh, that wasn't bad. So what we're gonna do is just do like a 2-inch section, you know, something like that, and just kind of leave this hanging off. And we're gonna do this twice on this side, you know, for both strips, and then same thing on this side. That way we can position it without like 100% setting it up. And then once it's kind of set on the car, we'll peel the 3M underneath it and then apply pressure and get it on there the rest of the way. Take both sides and you're just gonna line it up as close as you can. Then we're just gonna give it a little bit of pressure on both sides just so it sticks just enough so we can make sure it's centered. You can feel the gap on either sides with your fingers and then just kind of feel where it overhangs. It should line up with the end of the hatch perfectly. And then just give it a little bit of pressure. So keep your hands around it, make sure it doesn't come off, and just kind of look to the left, look to the right, make sure you got it centered, which, that looks good. All right, so now we're gonna pull the adhesive the rest of the way. Like that. We'll go ahead and press that on good and tight. On the top, and then still supporting it, we'll pull the bottom piece. And then use 2 hands and kind of apply pressure the rest of the way. And that's how you install a carbon fiber spoiler on a new Z. Hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what how-to video you would like to see us do next.
What are we doing today, Austin?
We're doing a carbon rear diffuser on a customer's new Z. I'm excited because these installs are really super easy. All right, so the rear diffuser comes with, I think it's 3 carbon pieces, your center, all right? And then it should have 2 side pieces. All of this is 3M adhesive. With the exception of the side pieces, they have 3 self-tappers on the bottom that help adhere it or attach it to some factory underbody plastic. So yeah, side piece, those are those 3 holes I was talking about. So this is driver's side, right? Yeah, these are really pretty pieces. I love this stuff. And then again, 3M all the way around. And then the last side piece. Boom. Yeah. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this stuff on. First thing you're gonna wanna do is obviously wash the car and then use something like isopropyl alcohol and just clean the area and make sure there's no residue, no wax, anything like that that would affect the adhesive. We already did that, so let's go ahead, go to the back of the car, peel the tape, and get the stuff stuck on. So right here in the middle are two of these kind of little push clips. You just gotta remove these guys. There's one. And there's two. And then save these, you do reuse these with the new carbon centerpiece. So for the centerpiece, there's one piece of adhesive up on the top, and the bottom is held in with those two body clips we already removed. So this one's really easy. It fits right in a nice little pocket on the rear bumper. So it makes kind of lining it up, adjusting it. Almost, you don't even need to because it only fits on one way. So just come up, kind of start centering her up, just like that. And we'll just roll it on, just like that. Apply a little bit of pressure. Cool. And now we'll take those two body clips and come underneath it, and we'll throw these guys in. That center part will be done. Now we're under the car. We're gonna pull the diffuser out just a little bit. Don't go too much. You don't wanna pull off that adhesive tape you just put on. Slide it into the carbon piece like that, and then bring it back. And then you can slide it up into the bracket, and then using your thumb, just snap that guy back into place. All right, so you're just gonna press it up, pop it in place there, and then do the same one to this side. All right, if you're having a little bit of trouble getting it pressed in, you can use a pair of needle nose to just pop that guy in there, just like that. Boom, good to go. On to the side pieces. All right, so for these little side winglet pieces, just like the center section, it only fits in one way. So there's no real worries about making it line up or being crooked. Fits in a little pocket, kind of where like this factory looking diffuser is made into the bumper, so super easy. So now with all the adhesive peeled and good to go, just gonna come up and position it onto the car. Ah, stop sticking. We'll give it pressure all the way around. Maybe hold it for a little bit and make sure it stays. So that's on. Now we'll do the 3 self-tappers that come right here on the bottom of the car. So I need, thank you, Sydney. And I believe these are 8mm. So we got our drill bit, drill. We're just gonna pilot some holes in that plastic. That way it makes it easier for the self-tappers to grab and go on in. Cool. And now we can take our tappers and our 8mm and thread these guys in. You just go just till it's snug. Cool, one more. Beautiful. On to the next side. So now you're just gonna repeat the steps to the other side. So we got our adhesive cover off. I'm just gonna slide it on into place. Give it a little pressure all the way around. Cool. Let's get our bolts in. One more. Bingo. All right, so that's how easy it is to install a carbon fiber diffuser on a new Nissan Z. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which video you would like us to make next.